And now, your Eclipse Minute.
Looking for a way to safely view the solar eclipse without needing a pair of these? You can, and it's a really fun project with things you probably already have in your home. You need a cereal box, piece of paper, pencil, tape, scissors, a thumbtack, and foil.
Stand the box on the paper and trace an outline. Cut out that shape and tape it inside the box. This will be the screen that the eclipse will appear on. Cut the tabs off the sides. Cut the remaining box top into thirds, leaving 2 smaller tabs in the middle, and tape these tabs together, creating 2 holes at the top. Take some aluminum foil and, using tape, completely cover one of the 2 holes. Finally, use a tack or a pin and poke a small hole into the foil.
And now your pinhole camera is complete. Let's go test it out. Now they have your pinhole camera, have the sun to your back, look through the open side, and you'll see the sun projected onto the screen.